In last lecture, we have studied our 17th chapter, that is circle, chord and arc, and we have completed first example from practice set 17.1. Today we will see remaining examples from this practice set. In this practice set, we have studied the properties about chord of circle. First property is the perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle on the chord bisects the chord, and second property is the segment joining center of the circle and midpoint of the its chord is perpendicular to the chord. By using these properties, we have solved practice set 17.1. Today we will see second and fourth example from this practice set, and third example you have to solve yourself. See the second example. In second example, they have given us a circle having center O and CD is the chord of the circle. Here, the radius of the circle, that is the OD, is 25 centimeter and length of the chord is 48 centimeter. CD is the chord here, and we have to find the distance of the chord from the center of the circle. That means we have to find the length of the OP. This is the distance of the chord from the center of the circle. By using the given information, we have to find this distance. Now see here, length of CD, that is the length of the chord, is 48 centimeter, and by using the first property of chord, we can find the value of PD, that means distance or length of the PD. Here, length of PD is equal to 24 centimeter because the property is perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle on the chord. Bisect the chord, according to this property, length of PD is equal to 24 centimeter, which is half of the CD. Now we have to find the value of CD as 24 centimeter PD, and now you can see in triangle OPD, it is the right angle triangle because they have given means OP is perpendicular to CD, therefore OPD is the right angle triangle, and according to Pythagoras theorem, here OD square is equal to OP square plus PD square. That means it is the hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides. Here OD square is equal to OP square plus PD square. We have to put the values of these segments. Now you can see 25 square is equal to OP square plus 24 square. Here OP is the distance between center and the chord. Now after the solving the example, you can see square of the 25 is 625, OP square right as it is, and square of the 24 is 576. For finding the value of OP square, we have to subtract 576.625. You find that value of OP square is 49. We have to find the distance between the center and the chord, that is the OP. So we have to take square root of these values. Therefore, length of OP is equal to square root of 49, that is the 7 centimeter. That is the distance of the chord from the center of the circle is 7 centimeter. Here the value of this is 7 centimeter. Thus, here we have find out the distance between center of circle and the chord as given in the figure. This value will be 7 centimeter. Like this example, you have to solve the third example. In third example, they have given us a circle with center O, and they have given us the length of chord, that is 24 centimeter, and the distance between the chord and the center is 9 centimeter, and we have to find the radius of the circle. That means they have given us the value of chord. They have also given us this value, that is the distance between center and the chord, and we have to find radius, that means the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. You have to solve the third example like this. Difference is that they have given us the value of distance between chord and circle and the chord, and we have to find the hypotenuse. Solve the example like this. Now I have taken the fourth example. In fourth example, they have given us information. See the center of the circle, which radius is 10 centimeter, and find the distance of chord from the center if the length of the chord is 12 centimeter. You have to draw the diagram first. Here C is the center of the circle and PQ is the chord. Now they have given us radius of the circle, so value of CQ will be 10 centimeter. Find the distance of the chord from the center of the circle if the length of the chord is 12 centimeter. They have given us the length of the chord, that is the length of PQ will be 12 centimeter. Now we have to find the distance of the chord from the center of the circle. That means we have to find the value of this CR. First draw the diagram like this, then you can see that CRQ is a right angle triangle because here CR is perpendicular to the PQ. In triangle CRQ, it is a right angle triangle. By using the Pythagoras theorem, we can find the value of CR. Before this, we have to find the value of RQ. Length of RQ is equal to 1/2 into length of PR. That means the value of RQ is half of the PQ. Here also we have used the first property, that is perpendicular drawn from center of the circle bisect the chord, and according to this property length of RQ is equal to 1/2 of PQ, that is 1/2 of 12, that is the 6 centimeter. That means value of RQ is 6 centimeter, radius is 10 centimeter. Then by using the Pythagoras theorem we have to find the value of CR. In right angle triangle CRQ, CQ square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to CR square plus RQ square. We have to put values in this formula. Therefore 10 square is equal to CR square plus 6 square. Find the square values. Here 100 is equal to CR square plus 36. By subtracting 36 from the 100, we find the value of CR square, which will be 64. CR means the distance between center and the chord. Here we have to find the value of CR square, that is 64. So for finding the value of CR, we have taken square root of this, and the value of CR will be 8 centimeter. That is the distance between the center and the chord, it will be 8 centimeter. Here we have completed the practice set 17.1. There are 4 examples in this practice set. The examples I have taken here. You have to solve the third example. You have to take reference of the second example, and you can solve the third example and revise the whole practice set again. Here we will stop today. Thank you.